If you was to start Etsy today, would you get into digital or physical products? Bro, I start new stores every single week, physical products all the way. Digital is very, very busy. Like digital, there are so many people doing that. It's a very busy industry. It's very busy. So it's difficult to get a foothold on the search terms. Don't get me wrong, you can do it, but it's difficult. It's very hard. Like, why do something that's difficult that's going to earn you less cash when you can do something that's easier that's going to earn you more cash? People think physical is this very, very hard thing. Like, very, very difficult thing. Like, digital is the easiest thing in the world. Yeah, digital is easy from a fulfillment point of view because you don't have to ship anything to anyone, but you don't make as much cash. So, yeah, physical is harder, but you make a bit of cash. Like, who cares, right? Who cares if something's a little bit difficult if you can make a couple $100K a year profit, like in your first year. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.